Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your phone. To begin, you'll need to access your device's official App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Minecraft is available as a premium application, meaning there is a one-time purchase required. Make sure your device has sufficient storage, typically around 150 megabytes for the initial download, and a stable internet connection for a smooth installation process. Once you've opened your App Store, simply search for Minecraft in the search bar. You'll see the official game listed, usually with a green block icon. Tap on it and then proceed with the purchase. The game typically costs around $7, a one-time fee. After purchasing, the download will begin automatically. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection to avoid data charges and speed up the process, as the initial download is about 150 megabytes. Playing Minecraft on a phone uses intuitive touch controls. You'll find a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen for movement, allowing you to walk, run, and sneak. On the right, you can tap and hold to mine blocks or interact with items and creatures. There are also dedicated buttons for jumping and accessing your inventory, which is crucial for crafting and managing your resources. Practice these controls to become comfortable with the mobile gameplay experience. After installation, you can dive into various game modes like Survival, where you gather resources and build, or Creative, offering unlimited blocks and flight. Minecraft on mobile also supports multiplayer, allowing you to connect with friends on local networks or join online servers for shared adventures. You can even customize your character with different skins and enhance your world with texture packs, adding even more depth and personalization to your mobile Minecraft journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.